Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to install OneNote updates. Keeping your OneNote application up to date ensures you have access to the latest features, security patches, and performance improvements. So let's walk through this quick process together. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app on your computer. Once the application launches, go ahead and load into your notebook. This step is important because you need to be inside the application to access the settings we'll be working with. Give it a moment to fully load your notebook and display all your sections and pages. Once your notebook has loaded completely, we're ready to begin the update process. Direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. Here you'll find the File tab, which is typically positioned at the far left of the menu bar. Click on File to proceed to the next step. After clicking File, the menu will expand to reveal several options. From this expanded menu, look for the Account option and click on it. This section is your gateway to managing your Microsoft Office subscription and product settings. Once you're in the Account section, you'll be presented with your product information along with all the services that come with your Microsoft Office subscription. This is where Microsoft houses all the important details about your installation and available updates. Now, to install the updates, look for the Update Options dropdown. This is usually located in the Product Information area on the right side of the screen. Click on Update Options to reveal the available choices. From the presented options, click on Update Now to start installing the updates. OneNote will begin checking for available updates and downloading them automatically. Depending on your internet connection and the size of the updates, this process might take a few moments, so be patient while the installation completes. And that's it. You've successfully installed OneNote updates, ensuring your application runs smoothly with all the latest improvements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.